Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm playing with my cousin right here, and he's gonna show me on how to use this color. And so this is also kind of a tutorial for you guys, because you could do the same exact things. So yeah, I'm really new to this update because I haven't played much. So yeah, anyways, yeah, I can see this stuff.
So you're gonna you want a grappler and a teleportation. So for in one of the places you can't grapple on metal, you have a teleportation, and then you're gonna need beans. Don't eat it yet. And by the way, guys, there's these new cool things. So there's a golden frog that comes with this sticky dynamite that's golden. Here's this gorilla with pink eyes, and that comes with a crowbar. Then here's this goat that comes with the golden hookshot, and they're all golden. Or if you want to buy all, they're right here, and it's $50. And it comes with the golden pack too, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, that is. Oh yeah. Also,
so I'll show you how to go to the easy one. We're gonna need a bag because it's not eating our beans right now. I accidentally went on my menu. Come on, follow me.
Okay.
By the way, I was playing soccer earlier while I was waiting. So
yeah. He was waiting for me to join. This is the easiest one, right?
Yeah, it's ski mapping. I'm so dumb. We need weapons because there's glitch mimics you gotta kill, and then when you kill one of them, get 2 crowbars because crowbars alone, I solo with crowbars.
What about pinatas? Pinatas are good.
Oh yeah, get rid of these stinky crowbars.
Here you go, King.
Thanks. Yeah, I don't own them yet. That's like the only item I don't own. Okay, now, here, Juju.
I have that.
Oh, we'll just take that one.
Yeah,
I guess.
it doesn't matter because
I need to put this in the bag because it's gonna mess me up. Wait, and let's get a
rocket. Let me put mine in
to
my
go
bag.
faster.
A rocket to go faster?
Yeah, there's a rocket right there.
Thanks. All right,
okay.
We go. Where do we go?
At the very bottom where OG map is.
Dang it! I slowed down. It glitched me into the ground. Dang. Heck yeah. Is it at the cabin or not? Is that the way bottom? Whoa. I see you, King.
Oh, you're gonna go. I need to eat you. You're already.
I'm zooming on the ice right now. I think I'm at the bottom. You will. Yeah, you just made a comeback, bro. You just made a huge comeback. Bro.
If you see this like glitch particle, that's because mimics are here. Now,
what the heck is that?
What
the heck is chasing me right now? Help me! Something's chasing me! Owie!
It's a glitch mimic. This first one gives the head. By the way, the eyes are separate. Well, I don't have to kill it, but you do so, because I already have all the body.
Hold up, you need to distract it because
Hey, stop right there, mister. You're being a bad fool.
This is the wrong thing.
Ah!
Wait, I just got something.
You have it. You have the headpiece. You already have the headpiece, bro.
Oh, I do?
You have the headpiece.
Go! Where's
Go just to the moon.
Go this place.
The dogs are crazy.
Screw it.
Oh,
Screw it.
Dad, did you accept my thing?
No, my grappler. I need it for something. Yeah. She said.
Did your mom?
Alright, let's
Because I was gonna tell my dad, you know.
Okay, I'm back. I'm back at spawn. I'm going equip it.
Do you want to get the eyes?
Yeah, I want to get the eyes.
Yeah, the eyes are pretty sick.
Where's the eyes at? In sewers?
No. That's actually where you get the arm. I forgot what place it is. So, it's in... do you want to get fourth first because it's right there and it's really easy? And then we gotta go to dam. My pinata just fell to the ground. Can you buy me another one? Thanks. Yeah, get your pinata out. Don't eat your beans yet. Okay?
What's
And
the
go to forest. Where are they?
Where's what?
The Richmond station. They should be here.
I see glitch particles over here.
Yeah, where the glitch particles are.
Yeah, it's over here. Oh, I see one. Fat chicken butt. You fat chicken butt. Fat chicken butt. Rah. Rah. Ah.
Let me hit him once.
Ugh.
So he's low for you.
Let's go.
I killed him. Oh, you got your other arm now. Look.
Oh!
I gotta grab that. Come on. Now we gotta go to dam to get the eyes. What the dam is?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the part where we need to eat the beans. Wait, not right now. Not right now, though.
Okay.
Alright. When we get to the when we're done with the thing, you know.
I can't get over there because I don't have double jump. I might have to swim there. Whoa, whoa! Yeah.
This parkour.
Yeah, I know. The grappler was making me fly.
And then when you get on the ship, it's a little hard. I recommend going on this piece over here. Or yeah, going there.
Help!
Go to the moon. Oh yeah, there's yeeps on these packages over here. Look, there's yeeps. Right there, it says yeeps. Yeah, that's a cool little hidden thing. Now, come here. It should be really easy.
Sorry, I hit you.
Oh, that's creepy. Behind us. What do I do? I'll tell you when I eat your beans.
Alright, now. I wonder want to know what I look
We
like.
should get a lantern. It lets you.
I look goofy.
Look. You look like something's corrupting you. Look, you float a little with these, so take one. You kind of like glide.
Yeah.
You kind of like glide. Okay, so the pinata bat was a good idea. We need to get a bag.
There's a piranha bat. Piranha bat.
Pinata bat. Pinata
Wait,
bat.
I need beanie beans. I need beyonds. I need
I
beyonds.
need beans. I need beans.
I need Actually, no, I don't need a grapple.
I need beans. Yeah, you do. You do need beans because you're poor and you're home. No, you're not. You don't really
I have
need
8
that
million.
anymore. You have 8 million?
Yes.
Well, come on, let's go.
Let's go.
We have to restart all our progress again. Well, I don't even think
I'm
we're
slower
making any
with this.
progress.
I'm slower with this thingy.
What do you mean? I'm faster. Ow! It makes you just wait. Go on the purple gooey ooey and it makes you fall.
Oh!
Wow.
He grabbed me.
Don't get hit that pole. I'm dead, bro.
Oh.
I'm so dead right now.
I'm
I don't
good.
think I should have bounced on that. Bro, I'm half health. If I get hit, or no, I'm like almost half health. If I get hit by the monster, I'm dead. I'm dead. Poopy in my panty.
Let's go.
I poopy in my panty once.
Alright, I got my.
We can finally see. Yeah.
You can finally see.
Yo, we're going at like the same time. Yo, why does it look like that? It looks like there's a party just going to slide.
Why just flashy? Oh crap. Is there a monster in the water? I'm swimming.
My head. We can finally see, baby.
I can see, baby. Hold up. Kim, do you see anything over there?
I don't see nothing. What is that sound? I don't get that. Bro, what was that sound? It was like, I heard like a crispy frying or something, man.
Creepy crying. Creepy.
Ow!
Creepy
You don't
crying.
need to hit me anymore.
Creepy crying. I know, I'm not trying to. I'm
I
trying to.
picked my nose. I hit his top. I got a freaking lance.
Yeah, we made
I
it.
hear it! Bro, baby!
Heck yeah,
Be
finally.
careful, don't touch the red things. They hurt you. They
Yeah,
go
they
ouchie,
burn.
ouchie. In my pouchy, pouchy.
Okay, man. This is all for eyes.
Get on here.
Is this all for the eyes?
Yeah. I know. But the eyes look really cool also. You know?
This is sick. I don't see.
We're not in the sewer. We're almost there. We're quite literally just there. That's not the mimic. That's not the mimic.
Kind
Let's
of.
just kill him. He's not the mimic though.
He's gay.
Yo, wait, I should put this in here.
Yeah. Let's go.
They're over here. We're literally so. Come on, we're literally so close.
Oh hell yeah.
We're here. But they're in the place. Don't worry, they debuff the. Ow! They debuff the monsters. But they do a lot of damage, but you can go. I fell in on accident. Ow!
I didn't get it. I didn't get anything.
Yeah, you still have it. You don't have it yet.
Why?
And I know it's not the torso. You don't have the torso or the eyes or your other hand. I think it's because I do. Ah! He's spawned in my side.
Oh, I got it.
You got him. You have it.
Woo! Owie. Let the mimic kill you.
No, let's go. Let's beat this map. That's kind of fun, and we still have our items.
I got my eyes now. What do I?
Yay! I got a bomb. We can kill this. We can kill the monsters. It's not the mimic though.
Oh man! Oh man! Hey. Kangaroo!
The freaking mimic's killing me!
Are you okay, Kangaroo?
I got a freaking RPG. We're good tonight.
I touched it. I touched you fat chicken butt. Fat chicken
die
butt.
on purpose.
Alright, got. Oh, whoa! These eyes. Now I just need 2 more parts. My body.
I forgot where the. I know the other arm is in office. Bro, we started exploding, we exploded, and then we just started laughing, and it looked like we were saying, revive me! Here's the beans. Here's a flashlight. I need one. Is the beans in here? No. Where's my beans? Okay. Can I have a piñata bat?
But I'm still recording.
What?
I'm still recording. Remember we're recording a video?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're still doing it, bro.
I forgot we were.
Let's go to office. I want to go to office.
Okay, now eat your beans. Right here, right now.
Why?
Oh, the next one isn't smiley. I'm just kidding.
If it is, I'd be sad, bro.
I know, that map sucks. Come on. Did you eat yours?
No.
Eat it. Let's go! Oh, I hit the doorway.
I'm gonna hit the doorway.
I remember when you would always say, don't forget this donut. Oh no. I said donut. They're over here. I don't know where he is though.
Oh. Right there. Fat chicken butt. Fat chicken butt.
Fat chicken butt.
There's so many of them. I got it. That's my torso.
Wait, that's not your torso. The sewer's in torso. Yeah, the other arm.
I don't have it.
The other arm.
I don't have it on though.
I killed one. I one-shot him.
I don't have my arm on though.
Yeah, you still gonna kill him. Ow! We're dead, bro.
No, I'm not. Not happening.
I got
today.
another piñata bat.
Fat chicken butt. Fat chicken butt. I still don't got my arm.
That's
Oh.
weird.
Maybe we have to kill the last guy.
Maybe you have to just kill him and I can't like do any damage.
But I got the coins.
Oh, that's weird. Then let's go check your thing.
My end of a lottery.
Domer hits the doorway. No, I did not hit the doorway.
I thought I started my farty 40.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go check.
I'm gonna make you rainbow boy.
Oh no, that was my butt. That was my butt, bro.
Oh, that was your gut. That was my butt, bro. That was my butt. Hey, yo.
No, that was for my butt, bro.
This is my butt, bro. This is my butt. This is my butt. Okay, so I'm pretty sure sewers is the torso or the arm. I'm not sure. I think it's the torso.
You got two?
Yeah, I got one from a crate. Oh, my tummy. Domer! Domer!
No. Does it still have that big fat monster? Train monster stuck in that corner? Oh no, it doesn't.
What monster?
There's that. It was that big caterpillar, fat caterpillar, who looks like a poopy butt.
Let me eat this. Oh yeah, big boy.
What'd you eat, bro?
I ate a mushroom.
Where's the mimics
In
at?
sewers they add these mushrooms, but they don't look like broccoli. They're like mushrooms. The blue ones make you tiny. The red ones make you bigger. The red ones.
Look
You're
at
gonna be
me.
tiny boy. You're gonna be tiny boy when you eat.
Ow! Where did they go?
Let's kill Finn.
How'd you just do that?
You're a bad boy.
Yo, where's the mimics?
I'm freaking dead.
No, you're not.
I couldn't see, and cause I got flash banged by red light, green light. Oh, haha.
Okay, let's go quick, fast, quick and
I need
steady.
items. Boom! I can't.
Quick and
Why
steady.
is my pinata that gun?
I almost hit
The
that.
RPG.
I almost hit that thing right there. I almost hit the cyst. Oh my god, you just saved us. Did you?
I'm a big ghost.
You're dummy, bro. You're big ghost. You're big ghost.
Oh, I wanted to be
Oh my goodness. They're mimicky in this thing? I mean, not mimic. Oh, you saved you.
The mimics aren't in here.
Ah!
Good boy.
Oh, I haven't had these in a long time. Let me get some. Let me get some. Let me get. I didn't get anything. What's? Are we here? Oh, we're here. This word of mimic.
You want a hover pad? Bro,
No.
the bombs are W. I got an RPG and a hover pad, bro. The bombs are W. The big red bomb was coming for me, and then Armstrong was right by it, and red light, green light, and the bomb exploded all of them. And
Double.
those crates, and I got an RPG.
Yeah, I don't think it's over here. Heck yeah!
This RPG.
It's spinning.
How do you even miss it spinning?
Let's go.
Oh, I got black bag.
let's go, bro.
Yeah, over there.
Where? Where's over there?
Over where the what is over there?
Oh, it's right here.
Molly parts are over here.
I got it. I got my arm.
You look like fun. Now you just need your torso. Don't blow me. Let's blow each other up, okay?
Now I just see my torso, guys.
Blow me up.
I couldn't.
Okay, I'll blow myself up. I'll respawn. I'll blow myself up.
Respawn, okay. Look at me. I'm so Sigma.
Bro, I blasted into the red goo and then I died.
Alright. What do we need to get next?
I'm pretty sure it's Haunted Mansion. Because that's the last one we haven't been to. I'm pretty sure it says Haunted Mansion. Guy, ski, server, office, haunted, sewers, forest. Yeah, haunted mansion.
Yeah, okay.
And I think we should get broccoli. Oh, let me buy one of these because I have a leaf.
What is that?
I have headphones on. I have headphones on.
Can you give me a light? Can you give me a light and beans, please?
I'm so dead. Can you get him pinata bimbata right now, please?
Yo, where's my beans?
Oh,
I was like, where's my light? Where's my light at? But it was in there.
Where's my beans brick, bro? Now we're gonna need one of these. Where'd my thing go? Okay, and activate yours too. I need a bag.
Bro,
Mine eat this broccoli.
Mine didn't do crap. Hey, why are you so big?
Here. Activate this first one and then eat this. Yeah. Donut, go.
Go, 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 go.
I can't. Okay. And also eat your beans if you haven't.
Okay.
What the freak was that for? I don't know. I can't go through. Let's
We're
fly.
as big as ogre.
Let's fly. Your rainbow.
We killed him. Alright, let's... Where's Haunted Mansion?
Over there. Let's fly.
Oh, it is over here. Stop. We
Hey,
can't.
bro, let's fly, bro. Let's fly.
I can't. I don't have my bean. Oh, yeah, I do.
We're flying. We big bats are flying. Oh, you're green, now you're red, now you're yellow, now you're red, now you're green, now you're blue. Now you're
I think
dead.
we're here. Yeah, we're here. We're here, everyone.
Great.
Where's they at?
Hopefully.
We gotta look down. How'd the girl get me? I was looking down. I was looking.
Hopefully he just charged at me and I almost died. I like one shot now. Ghost lady literally charged at me and then she went like, you must die. And then I was like, nope. And then like she still like,
looking
hit
at the
me,
ground.
but I didn't die, and that's like cool.
Ow! What are you, coconut?
I did not mean that.
You stupid coconut.
I didn't mean to hit you.
Let's go. Not actually, do not. Actually, don't.
Open the door. Oh, crab apple.
Why's the lane in the house? Who the heck? Landmine's in the house.
Oh, please. Take a bomb. What the frick are you doing? Open the door. I found a picture of Mona Lisa. I just
Yo, I don't see anything in this.
over here. Another Mona Lisa and a tiny key. Why is this key so tiny? Okay, come on, Juju.
Do we need that?
Yeah, bro. Have you never been to Haunted Mansion before?
I have.
So why do you say, do we need this?
Because I thought I was going to be in the hallways or something.
If I die, then tell your mother that.
No! Run away!
Help me!
How'd you look? You just jumped at me. I don't know how though. Bro, we have to redo this, bro. This sucks.
We don't need to bring, actually, let's each get a shotgun, cause that one shot's here.
What the heck is this?
It's a Viper shotgun. It's a bundle thing.
Okay, I need to get my stuff ready.
That's all you need. You just need, the broccoli again, and then the beans.
We don't need a Panada bat?
No, yeah, we don't. These ones are for you. Don't use them yet, though. You have to use them at the same time. And then you need a flashlight here. Okay, 3. And
Where's my
remember,
beans?
bomb first. Use the bomb one first.
Okay.
Where's
my bomb?
Oh, use that first. 3, 2, 1. Just throw it on the ground. Okay, eat your first broccoli.
And then our beans?
Yeah, I think I already ate my beans. No, I haven't. Where's my beans?
You might have to give me a new can.
brother. I'll catch up.
No, I'm not going without you.
Oh,
Wait, I need another one because we need them at the same time.
we did. Just come on, take it. You gotta go. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Birdie.
I'm taking it!
Big back. How are you, big back? Why?
We're big crackers.
Birds. We're gorilla birds. They call us gorilla birds.
I'm tiny again.
Get out. Now. Oh, bro, Sam.
I'm here.
I bought you that gun. It should have 4 ammo because of that, open up session. So, cause,
I'm looking down.
had fries. Ghost Lady's right by you. You're gonna die.
Is she?
Ow!
Are you okay?
Dead. I think we're gonna have to turn our flashlights off.
Oh,
I don't want to die again like last time.
she's attracted to those?
Yeah.
I forgot.
So why are you looking down? You know you can look up. They won't get in her face cause you have a flashlight.
Why she?
We need a key.
Wasn't there one in this room?
I see yellow. Crab apple. she's not there. I found a shotgun. It's somewhere. Ow! I'm stuck! Ow! I don't think she's right by us.
It's in here, it's in here.
Mateo, I'll grab it, bro. Licho, bro.
Turn off your light.
No. It takes like 5 seconds. We'll be out of there in 5 seconds. Hurry! Hurry!
Go, go, go! Go! There's my stuff from there.
No!
There's my stuff from there.
There's two of them! Run! Okay, they're right down here.
What the heck?
Or not down here, over here. Go down. Owie! By the way, just a tiny bit. Are you coming?
I'm right here. Look
Oh,
down.
you're already down.
Come on.
No! Eyes are broken. My eyes
Oh, they're
far.
over there.
And then they shot. It's OG. You see these little bush things? That's from OG map. That was when we didn't have any.
Oh.
When they're just little stubbies. We didn't have any fingers when those were there.
Yeah, we grew a lot.
We grew up. We grew fingers. We were less uglier. Where the hell are they? This is a place. Look.
Yeah. Maybe it's over.
Mimi. Mimi.
Wowie, owie. Oh, I see one. It's one.
Wowie zowie.
Dang it.
He ran away, you know. They're usually over there, over here. Wowie zowie. Wowie. Zowie.
Got it.
Yes! Now you're glitched.
Yeah, Bill.
Okay, go up.
How?
Just jump up. Here, take this grappler.
I'm doing it. No.
Take this grappler. Jump up. It's a lot easier.
No.
Oh, brother.
God, please no. 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 No, I didn't. Yes. Say bye-bye.
Baby for two.
Hey, I'm not ready.
Come on, go to the mirror. Go to the mirror. Go to the mirror.
What do I look like?
Oh my God, you're looking so drippy. Did you forget your recording?
No. Alright guys, anyway,
What you're doing?
that's basically how you get it in like
Yeah.
yeah. So yeah, see ya.